Welcome to my channel.
In this video you will learn about what is cryptocurrency, and there are 4 different ways to earn from the cryptocurrency. First one is crypto mining. The method of mining involves using the computing power of your computer to solve difficult mathematical problems that verify and process transactions on the blockchain network. Miners receive newly created units of cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Bitcoin, etc. If they want, they can sell the coin in the market and get back the money.
Second way of earning is crypto trading. You can buy and sell cryptocurrencies on exchanges just like stocks or currencies. Trading platforms are cryptocurrency such as Coinbase, Gemini, Delta Exchange. You can do crypto trading anytime in the market.
Third way of earning is crypto staking. Crypto staking is the process of taking part in the proof-of-stake collaboration process used by some cryptocurrencies. Users can lock up a specific amount of their cryptocurrency tokens in a wallet for a particular period of time, just like fixed deposit. Assuming you have 100 Ethereum in your wallet, and you decide to participate in a staking program that offers an annual percentage yield of 5% for a lockup period of 1 year.
During the lockup period, you cannot withdraw or use the Ethereum. After 1 year, your lockup period is over. You earn 5% APY, which means 5 Ethereum extra in reward. Always do research before investing any cryptocurrency. Fourth way of earning is airdrop. Cryptocurrency airdrop is a free distribution of cryptocurrency tokens or coins to qualifying participants' wallets.
Airdrops utilize it as a marketing or promotional tactic to raise awareness, encourage adoption, or reward current users. While cryptocurrencies offer several advantages, including decentralized transactions and potential for financial inclusion, they also have demerits such as lack of regulation, volatility, security risks, scalability challenges, and environmental concerns. It is important for investors and users to carefully consider these factors before investing in cryptocurrency transactions. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.